We are now 90 seconds from midnight. The closest the doomsday clock has ever been to midnight.
In more recent times, it has taken on climate change and emerging disruptive technology to give a sense of the catastrophic risks that we face as a planet, largely through our own deliberate activities.